guys, I just want to do a follow-up video on the one I did on the Eurovan camper with the heated blend doors. So I put that video out there. I got a lot of good replies and comments and stuff from that, so thank you. I'm glad you guys enjoyed that. I just want to do a quick follow-up though. So when I did the repair, the van originally wasn't getting good heat, wasn't getting good air conditioning, so I knew something was up. And then I saw the pieces of foam spitting out of the vents, so that basically told me that the foam on the doors was coming apart and I needed to fix that. So I showed you how to take care of that. Two things I wanted to follow up with though is when I finished the repair, the AC still wasn't blowing cold and I had to recharge the system. So I did recharge it. It is blowing cold now. So I'll show you what that's doing. And then the other thing was there was still some foam coming out of the vents, and I just want to show you something I did to get the rest of the foam out of there. So let me flip this around and I'll show you. Alright, so you can see this thing's blowing pretty damn cold now, which is nice. With all the blend doors working properly, I did put the metal duct tape heat resistant stripping on the blend door and the cold and warm door. So those two are all set. So on these vents, you can actually stick a little screwdriver or something in there and then pry these up. And then that's going to open this up. So all the rest of the debris that's in there, you can reach in and grab out the big parts. And then you can just turn the fan on and blast it. And you can even take like a vacuum and just stick it right here on the vents and just suck out, the rest of the debris that's in there. And then when you're all set, just flip it back down and you're good to go. All right, guys. So you can see that was a success. I do have nice freezing cold air conditioning now, which is great. And all the debris is out of the vents. There is no more stuff coming out of there. So I think that worked out really well, and I'm glad you guys liked the video. So if you haven't already subscribed, please do so, and I guess I'll catch you guys on the next one.